Hello, family. This is Jamie at the African Bee Company. Thank you for joining me today. I am actually having a cup of tea, a cup of pineapple tea with ginger and turmeric and a dash of cinnamon in it. Now, the ginger, turmeric, and pineapple boost our immunity, right? Boost our immune systems. And the cinnamon is anti-diabetic, so it helps prevent diabetes, which is really great. So that's the tea that we're having today on our Fight Back series. So what are we fighting against? We're fighting against the pollutants, the whatever is in this fog, you know, whatever harmful radicals, these free radicals, and all the stuff that is causing us to be sick. So we're fighting back by building up our immune system, um, so we can choose not to take any medicine that we don't want to take. All right, so I think you guys know what I'm talking about. So, just fight back with food, good food. Again, if you can get fruit with the seed in it where you are, that is the best. Don't go the easy route and take seedless grapes, seedless this, seedless that, because it really has very little health benefit. All right, so you want fruit and vegetables that have seed in it that can reproduce the way the Most High created everything to reproduce. All right? So listen, have some tea, some, again, pineapple, turmeric, ginger, and a dash of cinnamon, and to your health. So listen, you guys, if you enjoy our content, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll know when we create new videos, all right? So in the meanwhile, be happy and be healthy. See you soon.